want to try something a little different today and actually talk you through this video that I shot last night where I compare the Brilliance Command Series MR16 and the Lumien Pro MR16 series, okay? I'll tell you right now, both are great. The light output on them is phenomenal. Both single source diodes, optics are fantastic. The remote controls have really good range. Both are really easy to use. But I want to go over the differences so that you guys can choose maybe what's best for you. So I'm just going to hit play on this video. And first we're hitting the Brilliance because the Brilliance goes through really fast. The Brilliance is simple because you just have 4 presets of the Kelvin temperature and 4 presets on the lumen output that comes out. And that's obviously, both of these allow you to dim and change Kelvin temperature with a remote. Now the Brilliance is just simple. Again, 4 and 4. So I rip through those really quick. The Brilliance is on the right side. Lumien is on the left. And again, you can see really clean output, but bam, I just change the dimmability super fast and then change the Kelvin temperatures super fast. And again, all of it's smooth. Funny how that flashes when I switch over. Turn the Brilliance off, go over to the Lumien. So this is what our Lumien remote looks like. Huge difference here is that I've got to go through, I don't have presets, okay? So I've got to use this up down button in order to go through my whole settings wheel. So I'm either dimming it or I'm changing the Kelvin temperature. I have to go through that, but I've got a lot more flexibility here on the Lumien side because I can do any Kelvin temp in between 2700K and 5700K and do any light output between 0 and 100. So Lumien wins those 2 battles as far as flexibility on the Kelvin temp and on the dimmability. Lumien also has a higher IP rating. That's IP60 or 65 compared to Brilliance's IP62. They also have a longer warranty of 5-year compared to a 3-year. However, I give Brilliance the leg up on the power because it goes up to 500 lumens, 550 lumens, and Lumien only goes up to 450 lumens. The CRI, Brilliance has CRI, that's at 92 compared to Lumien's 80. It has a higher operating range between 8 and 25 volts compared to 10 and 15 volts at Lumien. And I like the housing. The housing is a bit more sturdy and it's a bit easier to take off this top if I want to change the optic. So Brilliance has its points too. It's really simple. It's really bright. Lumien, however, gives me more flexibility. I can dim all the way down. I do a lot of dimming below 10%. This gives me the ability to do that. The Brilliance doesn't. So both awesome lamps. Talk to a boss if you have any questions about either of them. Just determines which is best for you.